What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to understand PyTest markers, labels that power your testing. So PyTest markers are actually labels that tag test functions with your metadata, enabling precise organization and also control of your test suite. These decorators actually let you categorize tests, selecting specific groups to run and modify test behavior during execution. You have to think of markers as tags that instruct your PyTest on how to handle specific tests, whether to skip them, expect failures, or also group them for selective execution. So, how and why do you have to use PyTest markers? PyTest markers, their common use case includes group-related tests at pytest.mark.smoke or at pytest.mark.slow. Also, is used to skip tests conditionally with the at pytest.mark.skip if, and then it's also used for marking expected failures using at pytest.mark.xfail. So another way is also to run multiple test variations with at pytest.mark.parameterize. So running mark tests include the pytest-m slow underscore no that dash v. This is a command that you run. Okay, this command runs only tests marked as slow. So creating custom markers is as simple as also defining a new decorator and registering it in your PyTest configuration file to avoid warnings about unknown markers. Thank you for watching this video. Let's move to the next video in the playlist.